I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
So ladies and gentlemen, right now we're here. I don't remember if you remember Geesey, but Geesey in a building and Geesey bring friends. I'm tired, I know him a Geesey, you know, see Geesey there right there. I remember Geesey with the white on him. See my green tail? You know me, J. Yeah man, I feel Geesey this man. And Geesey bring friends. I wanted that, me J. I wanted that. Yo, Geesey, make sure you get some in, cause them boy you bring come here. So Geesey a wagging tail, you man a film thing this. I love crackers. Wag your tail, me G. Watch out, hey, no fighting, Geesey, no fighting. No fighting. Watch him, wanna fight the one in watching tail. Yo, where you come from? Geesey, no fighting. You don't want this some out, so Geesey want to fight him, you know. I eat that. Crackers done. Water crackers, they'll still see. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, your girl that is a waste man that a follow back on. But you notice when she eat, he not do nothing. The smaller one, a girl. You see me eat with her and a waggling tail. This rush him, rush him. Rush him, Geesey. You rush him, you know me G still. Sorry, but I don't know where you come from. I don't know you. First me I see you. First me I see you around here. Geesey girl people. Geesey have woman. Yo, rush him, G. Don't make him come too close to your woman now. Alright, puppy tail. See him just coming like a little puppy and all of them now do it, you know. I'm alone do it. I eat that for now, me G. For again on next time, alright? So right now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going into the jungle. The real jungle. You know what I mean? When you see me have on my glasses, yo, I need to start with my glasses more. I don't know why I don't like wear them. And I can't see without them, and that's why you always see me squint up my eye. Now when you see me eye big and bright because I can't see. We both will catch some iguana. Well, try to. Trabass, just make a little homemade makeshift something. And we are gonna try. Geesey, you no gone? You man even saying gone. When you come back again and bring back friend come every day and bring somebody else come here. We are going to try it out. And normally up in the tree here. Around what time you think they go sleep?
No. We're going to find out today.
Ladies and gentlemen, sunset always look good over here, so you know. Literally, we can't find none. Remember, we are got iguana hunting right now. And not one iguana when you see a big little geese out up on the lake and all of them something. We can't find none. I think I want jellyfish that one. Oh? Got egg. You want right or something?
This bucket is stinky up big.
No banana there? Oh, one duck did lie down in the pan this evening. Him there in there, so how much are them in there? One alone in there. Not one iguana in sight. The thing is, we wait till it get too late, so now outer door get dark, them gone in. Outer door get cold, if you say them gone in. So all of them hide. That's why, cause them not like the cold. We should have come out here when it's hot today and do it. But tomorrow we are gonna do it again. And the next thing, them can't see at night. So when night are forward down, them automatically go hide. Cause them blind at night time. You know what I mean? So right now I'm furry up. Watch out. BF4. One sheet I just wash like while I left BF4 for me. I remember me telling you say I wash. I don't know if I the vlog or the last vlog, but I did tell you say I wash. Yeah, we are link back on. We kinda done shoot, we have something more scene. It's one thing right now. And Jakes is in the kitchen. You know what I mean? We're making some butter bean and saltfish, but with a little twist. We're gonna add some ackee to it. You know what I mean? White rice there, so steam already. You know, so scandal back up on rice, so it's serious. Yo, that smells so good already. Cheese on bread.
That are 6.
You know them are jealous right now, no?
If they're jealous,
You know them are jealous right now. Put it on. When Guardian Leviosa. You could have just keep the camera from here. You know, man. But you'll add something with it. I mean, Jakes is in the building. Whenever Jakes is in the building, you know, chef is going differently. You know, a little cayenne pepper spice. You're different from me. People, it's delicious.
Sometimes I think about it, I got so much going on to the point it don't slip my mind, but it, like, that's one of my only problems. That's why I get my shit together. It's like, I gotta get myself.
you must call on. You know how much time you make off in the interview, yeah?
Somebody go with me and my son can get into it, like just everything I need to get in order so it can work for me.
Yo, Frank, man.
You can't tell me Frank, you look like.
Yeah, like all that, cause
I never tried this
gotta make sure
before.
it's perfect for it to go on, you know what I'm saying? Like,
You said your dad was in your life, so you want to make sure that stuff is safe.
Yes, yes.
Always
We
I'm
try.
gonna be the option. Like, no matter if I get my shit together, I'm gonna be in like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't gonna be, but I wanna like really like raise my son, you know what I'm saying? Like, so
Man, you never tried before.
nah, cause I am one to want one, you feel what I'm saying? Like,
Okay.
he like me and
That's my watch me place,
like me and
man.
my son, and then he went away, or I,
You man put all the piece of pumpkin in there. You're hungry?
Is he trying to come around now? Is he even alive? We keep, okay. You know what I'm saying? It's like a mutual thing, like, I just told him, like,
Jake's gone.
keep me.
So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, girls and boys, boys and girls and girls and boys, we're here. Bright and early in the morning. You have Andrew over there playing music down there. And you have Jacob in the kitchen over here. Yeah. With baby Matic right here.
Yeah.
Paint, no worries about paint bag on in a real. Don't panic. I mean, don't look panic, so don't panic right now. Callaloo, saltfish the pan here boil already. You can see saltfish boil. Rice cook already. Oh yeah, make dumpling.
Maybe.
Maybe? No, me can't touch my face. I was
touching your eye.
It's a eyelash. It's a eyelash under me eye look like people.
Eyelash.
You don't know the thing them over here? I will buy bun.
No, me no.
Jakes will buy spicy bun. And what this called right there, so?
Yeah.
That's something else.
Tambourine stick.
Okay. So yeah, for today, we're not sure what I'm going to today. So I do hot bun up. Can't bother open this one now. I open it today. What I do a bone up right now, yo! So like cricket match are going over, so yo, I need to hurry up and put on the camera here so I can go something in my eye. I need to go take it out, but I can't touch my eye right now. So yeah, I just upload the vlog here and continue the vlog for the rest of the day. So blessings and respect for everybody who followed out and watch the vlog here. You know what I mean? As I said before, when you go that day anyway in the world, one of the writers so with me. So blessings and respect. Big up on yourself though. Yeah, over there, no pity.
Hold on then, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.